Hey guys, so today we're talking about what are the best credit cards for 2019. And if you want to learn how to get the most credit card points and earn the highest amount of cash back, then keep watching because I'm going to reveal my 3 top cards for mid-2019. I've got over 2.4 million airline miles in my accounts and have traveled to more than 39 different destinations with my wife for free using points. And keep watching until the end because I've got a massive sign-up bonus that's the highest out there right now that I'm going to share with you so you can get the most points to travel or get the most cash back for free. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise, and here at Life Tailored, we teach you how to make life amazing. We share with you amazing life hacks that save you money or upgrade your life, and every Monday we publish new videos that are going to save you money or upgrade your lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any of our life hacks. And if you want to see how far points and miles can take you, then follow us on Instagram at Life Tailored. Now before we get started, let me know down below, why are you watching this video? Do you want to learn how to travel for free, or do you want to earn the most cash back? And you may be asking yourself, why am I creating this video? It's mid-2019 and I've already done a video on my top 2019 travel cards. And the reason we're doing this video is because Citi Prestige made a huge announcement this past week. They removed trip delay protection, baggage delay protection, purchase protection, and a ton of other built-in features you expect from a premium credit card. I had listed this card as one of my top cards of 2019. But sadly, as things change, as features get added or removed, I have to update the content. So that's why right now in mid-2019, we've got new top travel cards, new top cashback cards, and I'm updating the list with new information so you guys are always prepared to get the best value whenever you're signing up for a card. So the 3 cards I'm talking about today are all part of the Chase family. You may call it the Chase trifecta, you may call it the Chase bifecta, whatever you want to call it. These 3 cards all have travel protection, trip delay protection, baggage protection, and the reason this is so important to us is we had an incident back in St. Bart's this past December where my bag was lost and it was a total nightmare. So now, any card I get, I'm always making sure to have this protection. It's a protection that everybody overlooks. I know I overlooked it, never really thought about it, but it's just like anything. You want to be prepared when the fit hits the shan. You want to be there to protect yourself, and Chase has your back with these protections. So since these are all Chase credit cards, they all fall under the Ultimate Rewards umbrella, and that means you get the 12 different transfer partners. There are 9 airline transfer partners, and there are 3 hotel partners. My favorite partners are United, Southwest Airlines, Singapore, Hyatt, and Marriott, and there are all sorts of other partners that you can use to fill in the gaps when you're scheduling out a trip. So what's so important about picking a Chase card versus an airline branded card is you get all of these different transfer partners. And the reason the transfer partners are important is part of the strategy of getting the most value per point is being able to transfer to different award charts that may have the flight you need for the least amount of points. So as a quick example, if you were to fly from JFK to Rome on Delta Airlines, it costs about 225,000 miles. Now, if you were to redeem that same flight using Aeroplan, it can be only 80,000 miles. So knowing how to transfer points and where to transfer points, it can save you a ton of points and really make your miles get stretched that much farther so you can travel to more places and live the life of your dreams. And in terms of Chase Ultimate Rewards points, they've allowed us to fly our favorite product in the sky. It's the Singapore Suites class. And it's basically the private bed in the sky that we fly from JFK to Frankfurt, and it's our preferred way to get to Europe. So this flight itself is $8,000, but for us, it only costs us about $300 in taxes and 86,000 miles per point. That's around 8 cents per point, and it's a phenomenal way to redeem those points, and that's really what motivated me to get into credit card points, and that's what I hope resonates with you guys. If you want to learn how to book this flight and the ins and outs of all that sort of stuff, I've got a link down below with a complete blog walkthrough, and I've also got a link to our YouTube review of the Singapore Suites class. But now on to the top 3 credit cards of 2019. So to kick things off, I've got my new favorite card that everybody needs to have in their wallet, and it's the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. So this card earns 3x points on the first 20K in spend for the first year. And basically how I think about this card is my non-bonus category spend card. So say I'm buying a new pair of shoes at Foot Locker, I use my Chase Freedom Unlimited. If I'm purchasing something on Etsy, like this wall map, I'm gonna use my Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Basically, this is the card that you have in your wallet where any purchase that doesn't fall under travel or dining or any other bonus category, that's what the Chase Freedom Unlimited is for. It's a card you're walking around with, buying stuff around the city, around your town, where you don't get that bonus category, but instead you're getting 3x points with the Chase Freedom Unlimited bonus. It's a fantastic card. It has 0 annual fee, and it's part of the Chase family and allows you to earn these points that you can transfer away to different hotel and airline partners. Now my next card is my go-to travel and dining card. It's the Chase Sapphire Reserve. It earns 3x points on travel and dining, has a $300 annual travel credit, which I apply directly to my Uber account, but it comes with a $450 annual fee. That annual fee is massive, and if it seems like a bit of a sticker shock to you, also recommend the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which earns 2x points on travel and dining and has only a $95 annual fee, and they also have a 60,000 point sign-up bonus right now. But the reason I love the Chase Sapphire Reserve is I spend a ton of money on travel and dining, and getting that extra 1 point over the 2x versus the 3x is really worth it for me. And when you break it down, the annual fee is only $150, and I more than make up for it in my additional travel and dining expenses. Also, this card has the trip delay, baggage protection, all that sort of stuff. So every flight I book is on Chase Sapphire Reserve, so I know I'm getting 3x points, plus my flight's gonna be protected in the event of inclement weather or any sort of other mishap. And my final card is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred card. So this card is my go-to card for any business expense. So when I was first starting out with credit card points, I didn't have a business I could apply any credit cards to, and I thought I probably can't even qualify for a business card. But in reality, you actually are a business. You're technically a solo entrepreneur or your own entity. You're gonna pay the same amount of tax you would on any other sort of thing, but your name itself is technically a company, and it can apply for credit cards that are business cards. So even if you don't have a business out there, register for this business card under your name, and assuming you have the right credit score, you should be able to get approved for it. So the reason I love this card is, first of all, their sign-up bonus is the one I mentioned before in the video. It's 80,000 points. This is the highest current sign-up bonus out there, and it only carries a $95 annual fee. And the card also earns 3x points on travel, airfare, hotels, rental cars, train tickets, and it basically has all of that same sort of travel coverage you're getting in your Chase Sapphire Reserve. But it also earns 3x points on any shipping purchases, so anything you're shipping to and from USPS, UPS, FedEx, etc. Any internet, cable, or phone bills. So right now we're spending around $300 or $400 a month on phone bills, and we're gonna get 3x points thanks to this Chase Inc. card. Finally, it earns 3x points on advertising spend. So this is really the secret sauce behind how I have 2.4 million points in my account. I spend a ton of money on Facebook and Google and YouTube, and earning 3x points on these purchases is fantastic. It's basically like free points every time I advertise. So if you've ever seen one of my ads, just know I'm earning 3x points from that spend, plus I'm getting the benefit of you guys actually seeing the ad. So I think this card is a good fit even if you don't have your own online advertising spend, simply for that cable and phone bill. If you haven't cut the cord yet and are paying $100 a month to Verizon or whomever for your cable bill, and you also have a Verizon or T-Mobile or Sprint phone line, getting 3x points on that purchase that you're making every single month really adds up. If you're spending $300 a month on it, that's 900 points, or about 10,000 points per year thanks to this card. And with just a $95 annual fee, the card really pays for itself based on these points. And just for perspective, the 80,000 point sign-up bonus here, if you're redeeming it for flights like Singapore Suites class, that's worth around $6,400 in value. So for a $95 annual fee, you're getting $6,400 in value. So that's really how you have to think about how to maximize credit cards for travel and also cash back. Personally, don't recommend using these cards for cash back, because whenever you redeem for cash back, you're only getting 1 cent per point. But if you're redeeming for travel, you're getting up to 8 cents, which is massive and a incredible value. When I first got into credit card points, I was just doing it for the cash back because I had never traveled internationally. I didn't think it was for me. And this all changed things once I learned how to travel and hack with points. Guys want to learn more about how to travel free and hack with points? then watch my playlist. I've got an amazing collection of all sorts of different flights you can take all around the world in economy, business, and first class using points and miles. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell because we got new videos coming out this Monday where I share another amazing life hack with you guys. And finally, smash the like button down below if you like this video and want to see more content like it. And also follow us on Instagram to see how far points and miles can take you at Life Tailored. Okay guys, see you on Monday.